Our team members take such pride in this vehicle, and they take such pride in being able to create something that appeals to every single one of the senses of our customers. The Lexus ES is so important to me and to the team here at Kentucky. It is a sign of the strength of manufacturing in the United States, but also it talks about the quality and the craftsmanship of our team members.
You've built a rock-solid reputation for building great cars, and each and every one of you carry on that tradition today. Because your efforts and your hard work helped to bring home not only 3 Lexus awards, but that is the 15th J.D. Power Award for this plant. So congratulations to everybody.
It goes beyond machines. Machines can't do that. Only a team member, someone with that heart and the sense of detail, can really make it to where it can impact our customers, our neighbors, our friends that are driving our products. It's about building a car that you know that your name is going to be on. And it might be a friend or a neighbor, and it might be somebody across the country, but you want them to have the best experience ever.
Congratulations. You've built a rock-solid reputation for building great cars, and each and every one of you carry on that tradition today. Because your efforts and your hard work helped to bring home not only 3 Lexus awards, but that is the 15th J.D. Power Award for this plant.